Welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you into the depths of the night. This is the Dark Siren Glam. Seductive, bold and dripping with danger. It's not just makeup, it's a weapon. So if you're ready to unleash your inner femme fatale, let's begin. I start by prepping my skin with a lightweight glowing primer. This adds that healthy contrast to the darkness I'm about to layer. For the base, I'm keeping it full coverage but blended to perfection. A flawless canvas makes everything else hit harder. Now I'm contouring. Sharp cheekbones, lifted jawline, and a bit of the nose bridge to define. This sculpted look is what makes the siren face unforgettable. This is where the magic begins. I'm starting with a deep base shadow, black, blending it like smoke, then adding dimension with hints of brown around the crease. Brown or palm, it will be the trick. Pull the shadow out into a lifted wing shape, no harsh lines, just a hypnotic haze. Next, a bold eyeliner, winged and extended. We are going full cat eye because sirens don't blink, they lure. I am using spiky lashes to add drama, nothing soft here. Brows are lifted, slightly arched, brushed upward for that fire's expression. Never underestimate the power of a bold brow in a dark glam. Blush is focused high on the cheeks, blending into the contour to give that lifted effect. Highlight is subtle, just on the high points. Time for the final touch, the lips. I'm overlining slightly into a deep liner, think black and brown, and filling in with a gloss for the venomous power. And that's it, the Dark Siren Glam. Powerful, unbothered, dangerous. If you are feeling this energy, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.